open the door. They pulled the gun out, aimed at us.
What the fuck?
You know what we did? We boom, boom.
Bro. The city do that.
I ain't going to jail.
We fucking got him.
If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. And as y'all can see, I finally got my camera, man. I don't know how today is finna be, but right now we finna go to this CARMEET. Right now I got Kai Booty Troy with me, man.
Kai Booty T-Roy.
Look, I know y'all has been probably wondering, like, man, where's with me? But I'm gonna let him tell y'all before I ain't even gonna say nothing. I'm gonna let him drop your little videos. But man, that's been a Kai Booty. I know his car is under construction right now, folks. So got my boy Caleb, SRT Node, F82 JB and that M4. I got my M3 on the way too, gang. So y'all just gotta wait on that. Ooh, that joint looking good, ain't it?
Yeah, that blue. I think y'all gotta go out this way.
I finally got my wide angle lens too, y'all. So man, I'm so blessed. I'm blessed. So it's looking way different. And I just spent 13 on this joint. 1,300 on this joint, folks. So man, I need y'all to smash that like button, gang. I'm investing in myself. 12. Coming to get you. Ultimate Prime?
Oh yeah, they finna.
Oh nah, they ain't even Ultimate Prime for that's fucking Bumblebee.
They finna, yeah, y'all going in there. Do not enter.
Oh damn, this a do not enter.
Yeah, you can only go
I don't know
back.
what the fuck I'm following his ass for. What the hell?
I told y'all.
That's that BMW things. I just need y'all to let me know how this lens really looking, gang. Is it looking good? Or not? Just have my boy Josh dial it in for me. Yeah, man, just enjoy it. And I'm in eco mode. This joint whining like a baby. Yeah, you digging. You tweaking. No, hey, let's how we get some copy for. I ain't doing all this chit chat shit, man. And I forgot to put on my 360 cam. What am I doing, folks? I'm just everywhere. And I forgot my battery today, bro. Oh my, I forgot both my batteries, man. I put both my batteries on a charger and I said, bro, I'm gonna bring them. Luckily, Josh had another freaking battery. So make sure that y'all subscribe to his YouTube, man. F82 JB, because he just saved y'all for this content. That's a damn single cab, fo. You lucky you ain't bring your shit out, fo. That boy gonna smoke you, boy. No, hey, them single cabs low-key be fast, depending on what you do to them. Them joints be low-key coming crazy. So you got this joint on, bro? Damn.
Damn. It's still charging.
It was just at 16%. What do that mean? You ain't turn it off, boy. Show y'all the whips real quick. I'm really trying to get this exposure and all of that together. Pull it up on some more cars. Bro, I'm so glad you had that battery, bro. What up, buddy? What up? I'm shaking your hand.
Timo special game.
This boy think he Lucci or something. He think he Kanye West. No, I can't compete with him, y'all. I just got these yesterday too. These joints brand new. These not the old ones.
Hunting joints, right?
These joints was like $60, bro, but they was 25% off.
Hey, that's
Who?
The one, the Camaro?
Oh no, I don't know who that is.
How you gonna follow us and not hop out?
Before we pulled on?
Yeah.
He was like, hey, who's that in that HELLCAT?
Stop the cap.
Trying to back doors, bro. He finna back door short.
Acting like I ain't got 4 nick in my back pocket.
You think you're a man with a gun in your hand, don't you?
A few moments later.
They got a taco truck and everything.
What up, OG?
What up, buddy?
Hey, the HELLCAT boys over there.
He tweaking. Get your ass on. He tweaking. I know who the fuck I am. I can park wherever the fuck I want, boy. Boy, if you don't. Get this hand out the way, boy.
Alright, shorty, what you doing?
This big ass wide body. Oh, there go my boy. Yeah! They go Blood now. What's his name again? Slack.
He not even in there.
Hey, boy, get out the car. I don't know where the fuck they.
Folks pulled up with us like we knew him. Oh, that's one of your supporters.
Damn, my boy, I ain't seen you in 3 years, boy. Where you been at? This big ass lens in his face. What up, boy? The YN himself.
No,
What up, bro? Shit, chillin'. You said tacos?
Free taco.
Taco Tuesday?
Oh no.
Taco Sunday, boy.
I'm up to tacos.
Soul food Sunday. What are you talking about, boys?
Boy, if you don't get $4 or something each, free. What the fuck? So you got another ticket. Oh yeah. He went to the car, changed his clothes, and went back up. Hey, for let me get another ticket. Hey, you look familiar, you see?
How many tacos they give you?
Shit, they give you how many tickets you get? Oh no, they give you real little tickets.
I damn near get a Tahoe too. I might get a SUV, like a black SUV too. I'm trying to see what SUV I should get. But I'm gonna get 2 more SUVs. Y'all know I already got a Benz. I'm gonna get another one.
Left hand.
Man.
You don't know about. Let me teach you about something, boy. This a S15.
Get your ass on, bro. Let me call my homie up here, folk. In that purple joint. I thought you came back here first and parked up already.
I ain't gonna lie, the red goods look tough. It's nice.
Ask him if he is selling.
It must be nice, bro.
Hey, this joint unlocked? No, no, I gotta take off my hood, bro. I gotta chill. Bro. Y'all the type to tell him, spin it. Then he get a ticket. Now they talk up. Tell me it ain't our fault. Boy, I'ma go over there. Damn, you a clown, boy. I don't know, I need somebody to do something. Make it entertaining.
I ain't going don't pull your car me to nothing.
Oh, you tweaking.
Oh, if be arrested or something. I thought it was something serious.
Bro, they can't do nothing, bro. All they can tell you to do is just leave. If you ain't doing nothing crazy.
They opened the door, they pulled the gun out, aimed at us.
What the fuck?
You know what we did? We just boom.
Bro. The city do that.
Nigga, I ain't going to jail, nigga.
We fucking got him.
Talking about going to, what you gonna go to jail for?
Nigga,
being in the car and just sitting there? They can't trespass you, bro, nothing, bro, because they gotta tell you to leave, but if you don't leave, then they go trespass you type shit. Baby track right there. Oh yeah, he crazy. Oh yeah. Bro, I feel so weird without my hat, bro.
2018.
Damn.
What, got the waves going? Oh yeah.
Talking about waves. Oh yeah, he trying to be funny. Talking about waves. I'm out here looking like Kevin Durant. He talking about waves. I thought somebody just kidded your whip, boy. Oh, that's a G8. I can't tell what that is. That look like a G8 though. Too bad you ain't got the G8. We'll be up there clowning, boy. They clowning down there. Oh! Down there on that corner sound like a sweet spot. That Hey, when you finna cam your shit? Chill out, bro. Hey, you hiring blood?
Damn, yours look crazy.
Why about it? You know it's time to rap. God, that looks so good. Well, I thought this was Castanet.
These two,
Yeah, y'all, I don't even know what I'm looking at, but this joint, I already know it's fast. Oh, I know what that is. A baby snail. Nah, that's the big boy snail. I'm oh! Back to back. this joint crazy. This joint. Yeah, I just had to play with the settings. Perfect. Nah, this joint clean. Carbon wind, carbon little spoiler. And he got a parachute on the back of this joint. Yeah, folks ain't playing around. He finna tow this joint back to the crib. He don't even drive this joint on the street. I didn't even notice it was a parachute on the back of this. Neat, I know a couple of y'all be liking Mustangs. Damn. Everything in this joint got a turbo. Y'all see what that is? Y'all probably too young to understand what that is. Folks say he went to go get some tacos. He out. Oh yeah, he clowned. One wheel peel. He smoked this joint out though.
Nah, he did. Well, one wheel is crazy.
Oh no, how? One wheel. He one wheel peeling like that? He crazy. Oh yeah, don't sleep. Don't sleep on them folks. You don't listen. I told you to get one of these, folks. Stingray Drake. That could have been you, folks.
Watch out.
That could have been you. Stingray Troy. Like I ain't got blood in them in the cut. You must have thought it was over. That's blood right there. That's bleed, ain't it? Yeah, that's why I just told you. Bro, you took off your route?
Yeah, bro. I don't like it anymore.
Bro, I didn't even know that was you. What up? You remember him?
I remember the.
His was like pinkish purple, like a.
He pulled up to the warehouse.
Yeah. But we was shooting them freaking reels.
Oh yeah.
You on there, bro? Hold up, Brody. Chillin'. These seats clean as hell. What the f?
They got me, gang.
Oh damn! Why?
They got me, gang.
Parking ticket?
Yeah. I try to be cheap in the city, bro. I ain't paying
How much they get you for?
How much is it? $50? Oh yeah.
$70.
Oh yeah, 70. That ain't nothing, boy. You got it, boy. You got it.
That's pocket change, man.
With them damn Louis on.
Got the damn Louis on.
He's tripping. SSP boys putting on the show. You see his hoodie? My boy. Y'all ass putting on the show, boy. Oh! Damn! And that's what I needed right there, gang. That's all I needed, oh bro grade.
And they right there. Damn.
I think they went to a pizza spot, but shoot, we probably long behind trying to get that content, man. It's on me or not?
Yeah.
But yeah, folks, long behind trying to get that content, and I do not see the pizza place, so it's looking like we ain't going to get pizza. Bro, Gray, might just end off the video right here. I would have really vlogged, but today it ain't nothing going on. It's a freaking Sunday. And y'all think that we finna go to a motherfucking restaurant with just me and him, folk? Y'all crazy as hell.
He tweaking.
BD.
Oh, yeah.
Waitress go. The fuck y'all having a motherfucking picnic? Y'all ass tripping. Going.
We came from the right.
We
came from this way.
We came from that way, but
It's the pizza spot saying going that way.
I just feel like motherfuckers need to be going that way for some reason, folks. I don't know what it is.
Follow your gut, shorty.
When I'm on Earth, bro, I just always know which way to go, bro. Like, this is damn near south. So shit, hopefully we going south, folks. The whole time we damn near going west. I feel like we going south, folks. I need a
Compass.
compass, folks. Yeah.
Oh, bro.
I had one when I was on the cruise. I dropped that shit in the water. Hey, motherfuckers be just lying for no reason. Today was decent stuff, some light, a little light meat. We was out for probably like 2 hours. Like, I don't know, this video probably gonna be like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, something like that. Trim it down. Damn, folk. Should I go?
Oh, yeah.
BD, I'm finna go. No.
He tweaking. See, they already getting that slow
the
down.
whole light. King David. But they changed it. What you mean? Oh yeah, them joints do change.
Yeah,
I forgot.
Tweak. We could have been down the road by now, folk.
Hit the road, Jack. Bro, we still ain't even put in an address or nothing. We just driving. Right now we pulling up to this pizza place so I can give Josh back his battery, because I low-key forgot that I had his battery and I don't want him chasing me around, gang. So I'm finna return his battery.
Oh.
Yeah, man, I'm finna low-key end off this. Keep on going down.
I ain't never been.
End off this video. So make sure y'all subscribe, man. Comment. I don't care what y'all comment, man. Just comment. Bro. And shoot, make sure y'all subscribe to my boy SRT Mooski. Got something coming, man. He got videos in a vault. He just gotta upload, bro. You even see that car? They probably didn't even come to this one. Hopefully they did.
Hopefully.
But you can't miss they cars.
Yeah, folk. I don't think they
So it ain't looking good. I'm finna end off this video anyways, cause there ain't nothing going on today, so I ain't finna keep on going, man. Just go turn into a little me dragging y'all around with me. Yeah, man, just turn on post notifications, and I'm gonna get up with y'all boys.